Hey guys, hope you are all doing well. So nowadays we hear a lot about green tea in context of weight loss. So today I will discuss when and how we can consume green tea and what are the benefits. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. I consume the green tea from NutroVally and it's in lemon flavor. It's absolutely gluten free and in one box there are 25 tea bags. So, NutroVally Green Tea is a reliable source of catechin that have potent antioxidant properties which protect from free radical in the body, and it serves many health benefits. So, what are the benefits of green tea? Antioxidants in green tea enhances the fat burning process in your body. Hence, it reduces your body weight. But one thing you should keep in your mind that if you consume green tea randomly or excessively, that will cause adverse effect. Now the important question comes when we can consume green tea. We can consume green tea before workout or between the meals. But one thing we should keep that in our mind that we cannot consume green tea before going to bed or early in the morning in empty stomach. Why? Because if we consume green tea in empty stomach, that can cause your stomach ache. And if we consume green tea before going to bed, as it has caffeine, it can disrupt your sleep. But if you want to consume it at night, then try to consume 2-3 hours before going to bed. Making green tea is pretty simple. Now I'm going to show you how. So all you need a cup of hot water and NutroVally green tea bag. So you just need to dip the tea bag into hot water and it's ready. So I generally consume green tea twice a day. You can also follow that. And one more thing, you should not add sugar in green tea. But if you are worried about taste, then you can add honey. But trust me, you don't have to add anything in this NutroVally green tea because it already has refreshing lemon flavor. So now I'm going to enjoy my 8 cup Refreshness green tea from NutroVally